So during the full month of the World Cup, we are doing a trading challenge, essentially trading every single World Cup game using PolyCop and Polymarket, starting with $500 and seeing how much money we can make or lose. This is episode 2, so if you missed the last episode, definitely go and check that out. But let me show you exactly how we are looking. So we obviously started at $500. Currently, we are up to $611. At the peak, we were at $680 a couple of days ago, but since then, we made some bad bets, so we are currently sitting at $611, which is still fairly good considering we started at $500. So let me show you some of the bets that we have done lately. Then I'll show you a few new Polymarket accounts that I am going to be copy trading for the next couple of weeks. And lastly, show you exactly what bets I have on right now for tonight's games. And if you want to stay up to date on every single live trade, do make sure to join my Telegram down below. In there, I have a separate channel called the World Cup Challenge, where I share every single trade I put on as soon as I put them on, so that you can stay up to date and follow along if you want to. But since the start of the challenge, we have made some pretty good bets. For example, the Mexico win in their first game. We also got Canada versus Bosnia under 2.5 goals, which came in for a nice $20 profit. We had United States to win their first game over Paraguay. Brazil versus Morocco, both teams to score. And this one was a massive bet. We put Netherlands and Japan to draw in combination with Ivory Coast to win against Ecuador. Ivory Coast were the underdogs, but they managed to win. And those $10 got us back $110. So $100 in total profit on a single trade, which was massive for our portfolio. But we then also did make a few losses on some bets. Michael Elise 3+ shots against Senegal, we lost, but we did win the over-under 2.5 goals. This was another big bet that came in, France to win against Senegal in combination with Norway minus 2.5 against Iraq. So that won us over $100 as well, which was an incredible bet. This was another combination play that we almost won. We put France minus 1.5 against Iraq, that obviously came in, and Norway minus 1.5 against Senegal, which would have been a massive bet as well. We put $50 on at 18 cents chance. Norway were up 3-1 for most of the game until Senegal scored in like the 92nd minute. So this would have been massive, would have gotten us like $200 something back. But last minute Senegal scored and we lost that bet, unfortunately. And then just last night we put Japan and Sweden to end in a draw. We put $30 on, which got us back $104. So overall, we have made some bad bets, but we are obviously in the green, which means that I have put on more good bets than I have bad bets, or at least one more from the good bets that I do put on. But before I show you the exact bets I have on for today, I am also going to be incorporating more copy trading over the next 2 weeks of the World Cup, because the last 2 weeks I've mainly just been trading manually myself, but there are so many incredible traders betting on the World Cup. So if I'm able to find some profitable profiles that I think are performing well, I will want to copy trade them. So this was one profile that I'm going to try to copy trade. He bets very small amounts, but he has been fairly consistently profitable over the last month, only betting on World Cup games. Same goes for this profile. Since the World Cup started here on like June 11th or whatever, he has been fairly consistent and has made some decent gains. So these are two very small under the radar profiles that I will be trying to copy over the next week or so, and we'll see how it performs. And then if I find more good traders or more accounts like these, I will also add them into my copy trading bot. So to show you exactly how I'm setting this up, I am using PolyCop, which is the most popular and the best overall copy trading bot for Polymarket. I made multiple videos on PolyCop before, so that is my go-to copy trading bot. You can see that this is the same account as I just showed you on Polymarket, $611, and we are going to create a copy trading task. Super simple, all you do is just paste in whatever address you want to copy. You can then put copy percentage of whatever this wallet is buying, or you can put a fixed amount. Now this wallet buys very different amounts, like here he redeemed $500. This trade he only put like $3, so instead of a percentage, I am just going to put a fixed amount whenever he puts a trade. We're going to start fairly conservatively by doing $7 per trade he puts on. So let me put $7 right here, and there you have it as a fixed amount. We are going to keep market order and change the slippage to be 6%. I will enable turbo mode, and the rest can pretty much stay the same. I will change the sell slippage as well to be 8%, and I want to copy buys and sells. So I don't really need to mess around with all of these other settings, but that is good to go. So I will confirm that task. This other wallet, however, does normally buy for fairly similar amounts, anywhere from, I would say, $7 to $50, it seems. So for this one, I was a bit torn if I wanted to do a percentage, basically just do 100%, or if I wanted to do a fixed amount. If I do 100%, there are certain trades he enters like $50, so it might be a little bit risky. So I'm gonna start conservatively and do 50% on this guy. So basically we will be copying him for 50% of whatever he buys. All the other settings will stay the same, so this is everything, and confirm. And there you go, we have both of those tasks up and running, so that will play probably a huge part of this trading challenge as well. So I need to stay up to date on what they are trading, make sure to deactivate them if they're underperforming, or increase the amounts if they are overperforming, and then potentially add even more accounts into the PolyCop bot. If you want to check out PolyCop for yourself and copy trade people like myself or anyone else, my account for this trading challenge will be down below, my address as well as my actual Polymarket account, so you can go in and check, make sure everything is legit, etc. But if you want to try out PolyCop for yourself, you can use the link down below to get 10% less fees on all of your trades. Now, with that said, these are the trades we have on for today. Now, note that this video will probably come out tomorrow after all of these games are played, so you will probably know if these trades are horrible or if they are good. But I essentially put Spain to win against Uruguay. Uruguay has 2 points, Spain has 3 points, so whoever wins this game basically wins the group. A draw is fine for Spain. Uruguay will probably try to go for the win so they can try to win the group. Spain has to draw or win to win the group. So at only like 60% odds, I think Spain is a pretty good value bet, because in theory, Spain should be a better team than Uruguay. So I put $60 on Spain to win, which will get us $103. I then put Norway and France to end in a draw. Now, note that I'm Norwegian, so I might be biased here, but my thinking is that this is the last game in the group stage. If you come first or second in our group, doesn't really matter much, because the knockout stages look fairly similar. If you come first, you meet Sweden, then Germany. If you come second, you meet Ivory Coast, then Brazil. Both pretty similar difficulty, so it doesn't really matter for either team. I think both teams will probably rest players and not care too much about the game. Both will probably be happy with a draw, because then France wins. And because of that, I do think the odds of a draw are fairly likely. Obviously, I do still think France are the favorites, but I think draw can be a fairly good value bet here. So I put $40, which would get us back $190. That would be an incredible bet if that comes in. And I then put Senegal. Senegal is in the same group as Norway and France. They are currently third, but with 0 points, and they meet the last place, Iraq. Now, the 8th best thirds go through, and Senegal only have -3 goal difference right now. If they can win this game by 2 or 3 goals, they will probably be one of the best thirds and go through, and they know that. And so my thinking is that they will probably be on the offensive, try to score as many goals as possible against Iraq, so that they go through as one of the best thirds. So that's why I think Senegal will go out aggressively and try to win by 2 or 3 goals. So I put Senegal with -2.5, meaning they have to win by minimum 3 goals. So I put $30 on that, which will get us back 83. So those are the bets I have on for today. As I said, I share all of these trades live in my Telegram group right as I put them on. So obviously for the challenge, I only post an update every week or every 10 days. And it comes out 1 day after I record it, so you won't be able to actually follow these trades. So if you want to follow them, you can either check out my Polymarket account down below and follow that live, or just join my Telegram and I share all the trades and we can discuss games, etc. in my Telegram channel. Now, let me know what you think of the bets so far. Currently, we have made a little bit less than I would have liked. There are a few bets that we got fairly unlucky on. I would have liked our account to be up to like $700 or $800 by now, but we are still in decent profit at 611. Hopefully we can take this up a lot further over the next following days. If you have any questions or thoughts, let me know down below in the comments. Join my Telegram, like I said, to stay up to date. Make sure to like and subscribe. If you want to check out PolyCop, which is the best and most popular copy trading bot for Polymarket, check out the link down below. With that said, I hope you have an amazing rest of your day, and I'll see you guys later. Peace.